dear. The windmill is broken, isn't it?
No flour. What will the hen sisters eat for cake?
I just finished eating cake, and now I have to fix this.
There's no other way.
One blade is broken, the axle is loose, and there's thick dust everywhere.
We need to clean it immediately.
We need strong wood, tough rope, or let's go to the forest.
I'm ready to carry the wood. This branch is both beautiful and strong. Let's get a few more pieces.
If it's wet, the mill won't turn evenly.
That's right. Let's dry it completely in the sun.
The sun's up. Let's go fast.
I'll go slowly. The wood is heavy.
Now it's time to build new blades.
Let me handle the heavy parts.
It must be perfectly even to spin smoothly.
Measure carefully, or it'll be ruined if it's off.
Get ready to test it.
Hope it spins perfectly this time.
It's spinning. We succeeded.
Cluck, cluck. The windmill spins so beautifully.
Am I a flour cake now?
You look delicious. As long as the windmill can spin again.
Exactly. It's a small matter. The flour is fine now. This will be delicious.
Our hard work is worth every drop of sweat.
Today was truly a day full of flour. And also the happiest day.
Oh. The flour spilled out all night?
I told you the wind was strong last night.
Look, I'm skiing on flour.
Haha, Bear! You truly are the sweetest on the farm! Cluck, cluck! Cluck, cluck! Where's our flour? Stop stepping! It's all flying away!
Ooh, flour's in my nose.
Be careful! Don't stir up anymore!
This time, we need to make a safer lid.
Good idea. Let's use fabric and rope.
I cut it a bit crooked. Is that okay?
It's fine, as long as it's windproof. Tie the rope tightly, Bear.
Done. Now, even if the wind blows, it won't fly off.
I can't take it anymore.
Hold on tight, quickly!
Cluck, cluck! Flour
Snow!
Oh no! It's all white again! Monkey, you look 10 years older.
If this isn't flour, farmer, what is?
We need a really durable windmill. Yeah, we need new gears.
What if we use an iron axle?
Even better. Let's try it. This one fits the old axle perfectly.
Good, let's install it right away.
It's smoother now.
Great! Our mill is almost perfect!
Look, the flour falls like shining stars.
Indeed, the farm is breathing now.
Oh no! If many birds perch, the mill will be heavy!
We have new guests. Hey, is it planning to stay here permanently?
Looks like it, but that's the main shaft.
3 birds, 1 nest, and also my corn kernels.
They're just borrowing it temporarily.
This is not good, the shaft is stuck.
The birds built a nest in the gears.
Oops. Who's sprinkling straw on my head?
It wasn't me, it's the nest up there.
How about we build a small bridge for the birds to move their nests?
Great idea, a mini suspension bridge.
I'm making a bridge for birds, not for myself, mind you.
But I bet you'll try climbing it anyway.
It's done. I hope the birds understand our intention.
If not, we'll have to negotiate.
It's going!
Great! They understood.
No longer stuck, it's turning smoothly.
Truly teamwork of both, birds and people.
Cluck, cluck, the wind is turning, the cakes smell delicious again.
The customers will be happy.
I didn't realize birds could be so helpful.
Oh, everyone has their place.
Something's wrong again. The wind is too strong.
Hold the warehouse door tight, quickly. We can't let the blades break again! Just get through this storm!
We saved it!
Because together, no storm can knock us down.
I hope I don't drop the table this time.
Today, the windmill is truly the star. Cluck, cluck! Where are the cakes? Where are the cakes?
Calm down, the flour is almost milled.
The mill is running smoothly, ready to grind.
And corn cakes will soon fill the farm.
Just enough fire, don't burn it.
I know. I've learned already.
That's right, this is the smell of teamwork and hunger.
Who wants the first cake?
Cluck! The whole flock wants some.
The Corn Cake Festival officially begins!
Everyone is invited to eat to their heart's content.
I've never been this happy. Today is the best day ever.
Oh dear, the flour is flying again. Oh no, I forgot to close the lid.
A festival of flour cakes! At least no one is hungry! Perhaps this is the farm's new specialty!
If flying flour is this fun, then let it fly more.
I may be big, but I'm a great dancer.
Really? Be careful not to step on my tail!
Tomorrow there will probably be flour stuck everywhere.
It's okay, the dirtier, the merrier.
Cluck! Thanks for the delicious cakes and the joy.
We're happy because you're happy.
The windmill is also tired after a fun day.
But the wind still blows, and our friendship remains warm.
If we win, we'll get 1 year of free flour.
Then we definitely have to participate!
How about we add an auxiliary mill to grind faster?
Good idea, but it needs something truly creative.
If we add small blades on top, the wind will spin twice as strong.
And the flour will come out 3 times faster.
Be careful, don't let the upper blades touch the lower ones.
I've calculated carefully, don't worry. Amazing! It's really twice as fast.
Wait, why is so much flour coming out? It's spinning too fast!
How do we stop it now?
Pull hard at the same time.
1, 2, 3, pull, pull. The brake worked, luckily.
At least we didn't fly into the sky.
Cluck! Is this the new flying cake? It's definitely a special edition.
Now the mill will spin just enough.
The perfect solution for the competition.
Look at those inventions, they're amazing.
Our mill isn't bad either.
Nice mill, unusual design, but does it work steadily? Please, sir, see for yourself.
See? I didn't drop anything this time. Good job, keep it up!
Oh, a work of wind art.
A new idea born on the spot!
Didn't win big, but being the funniest is enough.
A well-deserved award for teamwork spirit.
Let the windmill help us harvest rice faster!
A wind-powered harvester? Sound
Cool indeed!
If the wind's strong enough, the rice will fall down by itself.
exactly. I call it the flying harvester.
Oh,
It's really working.
But it's a bit too fast, isn't it?
turn it off quickly, or all the rice will be lost.
I can't. The wind is too strong.
I've been hit by 3 grains already.
Careful. The rice grains are like bullets.
Stop, Mill! We're friends!
Are you talking to the mill? The brake is working.
Whew, I almost became a rice storm.
At least we didn't lose any grains.
True, we just harvested a bit massively. Beautiful like golden snow.
I call this the harvest storm. Next time, we should make it smaller.
Yeah, the wind was really strong this time.
Cluck, cluck! Harvesting with the mill is so fun!
Thanks to teamwork, we harvested super fast.
And super flying, too.
The mill must be tired after a long day.
It knows how to rest too. Look.
Every time the mill breaks down, we learn something new.
Exactly. Because every change in wind direction is a new opportunity.
Tomorrow, something interesting surely awaits us again.
The mill will turn again with our laughter.
Oh, this wind. It's unusual.
Perhaps a new windy season is coming.
What's that sound in the axle?
Probably just dry leaves stuck in there.
Beautiful iridescent blue feathers!
Looks like they're from a new species of bird. The wind today smells like forest flowers.
New wind, new season, new opportunities.
We'll add new directional fans to increase efficiency. But gently, don't create another storm.
It sounds like singing.
That's the music of the wind. Wind!
Cluck, cluck. The mill is so beautiful, like magic.
Actually, it's the magic of teamwork.
Everything started with a broken windmill.
Yes, and ended with a happy farm.
Do you think the wind will ever stop blowing?
Only when we stop trying.
The windmill is still turning, and we're still dreaming wind-filled dreams.